Currently on our radar is an interesting Litecoin deal. In November 2024, Litecoin rose by 105% in just a few weeks. After that, Litecoin consolidated in the range from $80 to $137, forming a pattern known as a bull flag. Bull flag is a continuation pattern that signals the possibility of another strong price increase. A confirmed breakout above $137 will be our entry signal, with a stop-loss set just below the breakout level. Of course, this pattern remains relevant only if the support at the $80 level holds. However, with increased risk in altcoins, not only the coin's growth, but also its outperformance of Bitcoin in terms of returns is important. Here, a chart tracking the Litecoin to Bitcoin ratio over the past 6 years comes to the rescue, showing a steady downward trend. During this time, Litecoin lagged behind Bitcoin in returns by almost 96%. But the situation changed in November 2024, when Litecoin jumped by 60% in just 1 month. Since then, the Litecoin to Bitcoin ratio has started to form a new trend that is worth closely monitoring. A basing pattern similar to what we observed back in 2022 appeared before a sharp spike. A move back to this downtrend line indicates a 70% outperformance. This outperformance is specifically for Litecoin against Bitcoin. From both a USD and Bitcoin perspective, Litecoin's setup looks quite constructive and promising in the current market conditions. However, Litecoin is not the only altcoin under observation. Another altcoin, Curve, or CRV, has already broken out from its long-term downtrend and is now retesting its breakout level. Curve is a platform that facilitates swapping stablecoins and other cryptocurrencies with low fees and minimal price slippage, making it valuable for traders and users. Over the past 5 years, the 36-cent price level for CRV has been very significant, acting as support 6 times before breaking below it in June 2024. After breaking below 36 cents, CRV experienced months of sideways accumulation, which was followed by a 400% rally in November 2024. Since that rally, CRV has retraced approximately 60% of the move, indicating a retest of the long-term breakout and the key 36-cent support level. A trade setup here with a stop-loss below the breakout line and an initial target between $1.20 and $1.40 might be very profitable. If by that time a full-fledged period of alternative currencies occurs, it is quite possible for CRV to reach the next resistance level around $2.88. This growth will be approximately the same in percentage terms as the rally of November 2024 that we observed earlier.